Hello everyone, this is Otsumami channel from Japan. In this channel, I introduce you Japanese otsumami. Do you know what otsumami is? Originally, tsumamu means to pick up in Japanese. Otsumami is Japanese finger food which you can pick up and eat while you're drinking alcohol at home. I'm sure you're very lucky today, because after you watching this channel, you are going to take one small step to be the Otsumami master. Okay, so let's get it started. Today's menu is miso cheese. Long time ago, miso was often used for preserving foods. Maybe you have never heard of this miso cheese before. In some places here in Japan, they sell this miso cheese as an official product. This is Otsumami channel, as you know. I introduce you how to make it at home in an easy way. First, you need to prepare a cheese. This time I used camembert cheese and cut them into pieces. Next, I use this Ziploc and miso. Put some miso into Ziploc. In most cases, miso could be categorized into white miso or red miso. Red miso is aged for a longer time compared to white miso. This time I use white one. And next you need this mirin. Pour some mirin into the Ziploc. And then soy sauce. And close the Ziploc and mix them all. And put the cheese into the Ziploc. And remove the air from the Ziploc. Now all you need to do is just to wait. Now 24 hours have passed. Let's check it out. Now it's done. Okay, now let's eat. いただきます。That looks delicious. It is cheese, but I can enjoy the flavor of miso at the same time. So let's move on to drinking part. Today's drink is this. Red wine. Cabernet Franc Tinto Crianza, 2018, from España. Me gusta mucho bere vino tinto. In Japanese, 私は赤ワインが大好きです。In English, I love drinking red wine. Okay, so let's drink. 乾杯! A bit sour, but it's good. 美味しいです。If you've never tried this before, I strongly recommend to you to try this at home. You see, it's very easy. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. In this channel, I introduce Japanese otsumami to make you otsumami master. So, see you next time. Sayonara!